Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to grow mycelium at home, easy method. Start by gathering jars, substrate, spawn, a pressure cooker, and rubbing alcohol for sterilization. Set aside a clean workspace. Prepare substrate by hydrating and pasteurizing to reduce competitors. Inoculate jars slowly using sterile tools, then incubate at a consistent temperature. Monitor for contamination and keep notes on progress so you can repeat successful batches. Gather quality substrate like hardwood sawdust or brown rice flour and prepare clean jars with breathable lids or filters. Sterilize everything thoroughly using a pressure cooker at 15 psi to kill contaminants, then cool jars before inoculation. Work near a still air box or clean surface and sanitize hands and tools with alcohol. Record dates and strain details so you can compare which combinations colonize fastest and stay contamination-free. Inoculate cooled substrate using a clean syringe or small pieces of grain spawn, minimizing exposure to open air. Place jars in an incubator or warm closet with steady temperature appropriate for your strain and avoid direct sunlight. Check jars regularly for healthy white mycelial growth and remove any jars showing green, black, or foul smells immediately. When jars are fully colonized, prepare for fruiting or consolidation, following safe and
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.